Hello guys, before I started to live abroad I had some fears about what will expect me and how I can prepare myself to the future, and I decided to make a list in my note app with some thoughts which can help me to overcome my difficulties in the future. And now I decided to share my list of these thoughts with you. I separate my list on 3 parts. First part, what I should do. Second part, what I should not do. And third part, it's just what I else should remember and keep in my mind. And I hope it will help you to overcome some difficulties in your life. So, first part, what I should do, is focus on what can you do in a situation you are with existing limitations and with what you have. I mean skills, knowledge, money, connections, creativity, and all other what you have. Be open to unplanned opportunities, because you can prepare to everything and plan everything. So you should always be like in the present moment and be ready to someone will suggest you something, or you find some new information, or something will change in the world. You should be ready to unexpected opportunity and correct your way while you follow it. Make a plan and do it step by step. If you want to succeed, you should act even you don't quite sure. Next point is really important. Make a list about why you're proud of yourself. Just everything. Maybe you graduate university, maybe you know how to swim, maybe you have a lot of friends, maybe you're kind, maybe you have a lot of money. Whatever you have in your life, just make a list, and when you feel yourself not completely confident, you should reread it, and it will help you to be in the right mood. Push off the dead end with a small act. Maybe you don't know how to achieve some big result, but you can do small step, and after you will do it, you can make another step. You don't need to see whole way to your goal, but what you need to see is the next step. It's the most important thing you can control. Practice gratitude. Maybe before you go into bed, to remember all things you gratitude for. Maybe you live in a good place, maybe you have a good health, maybe you have your favorite job, or whatever you have in your life. Be gratitude for it, and don't accept it like it has to be like that. Seek out new learning opportunities to expand your knowledge and skills. Think your thoughts in positive formulations. I already made a video about positive lifestyle, so if you want to understand what I mean, you can just watch it later. Ask for help and support when you need it. Practice forgiveness, both towards to yourself and to others. Pay attention on people you spend time with. Are they make you better or worse? Show me your friends and I will tell you who you are. I really love next one. If you want to be beautiful, make beautiful choices. Take an action today. If you're going to do something, if it's worth it, if you think it's right to do it today. You don't know that you have tomorrow. Find ways to challenge yourself, whether that's learning new skills, trying new things, or taking new responsibilities. Second part, what you shouldn't do. Don't have regrets. What didn't happen wasn't meant to happen. Don't complain. Don't focus on what you can't control. Don't fear the future. Don't borrow suffering from future. Don't be selfish and work for the common good. Don't waste your time. We protect our property, we protect our money, but we let ourselves to waste our time, and our time it's our life. Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself today with yourself yesterday. And the third part, what else is important to remember? We don't control what happens, we control our response. Take a time before what happened and your response. You can be angry, you can be frustrated, you can be scared, but you don't have to take an action based on this emotion, because between a stimuli and response there is a moment, and in this moment we decide who we are and what going to be. You never know what is good, what is bad for you. I already told about it in a video about positive lifestyle, so you can just watch it later. It's impossible to learn when you think you already know it. If you think you know something, you will not ask questions. You can't be corrected. You can't earn all money, you can't marry all girls. If you don't know what is enough for you, you can't be satisfied. My interlocutor is a nice person. Just keep it in mind and you'll be surprised by results. Difficult people are opportunities for you to be patient, to be kind, to be better version of yourself. You can achieve anything. If you can't achieve it, you don't want it, or you don't see the way, or you don't want to follow it. Relationships should admire, should fascinate, should amaze. Otherwise, why should you need it? We become what we pay attention to. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. We dyed by our influencers. So pay attention on what you watch, with whom you talk, and how you spend your time. If you're disappointed in people, it's on you. It was you who projected your thoughts and your beliefs on others. So be strict with yourself and be tolerant with others. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Everything has a price. When we say yes to something, at the same time we say no to something else. It's amazing how much you can accomplish if you don't care who gets the credits. I hope this video was useful for you, and these thoughts will help you as they helped me. So, thank you for watching, for your likes, for your support. Thank you.